To another segment of What Damn Humans Doing? Remember that time corporations literally murdered the children of their workers to try to force them to get back to work?
Cringe.
Why do you think Burger King put out an ad this year with an innuendo about butt sex during Pride Month? Because it's profitable. Kinda. Can't have children workers in America? You can overseas. Ain't that right, Elon? Where are you getting all that cobalt and lithium for your batteries? Is it from these mines? This one right here? Is this you, big bro? Now we'll see you
In the end.